Hi everyone, ayan. So, late na ang lola nyo kasi nga I'm just waiting for my car. It was 2 months late and I called him earlier. I told him that should be 12 o'clock will be there so that we can go directly to the place. But you know what time he arrived in my home? It's almost 1 o'clock, so medyo late than 30 minutes. So by the way, wag natin pairali ang ating bad mood muna kasi we're going to attend a birthday party in a beach party. So, forget the bad mood para hindi masira ang ating gabi. So, by the way, we're heading on Flamingo Beach now. So, as you can see, we're on the road to Flamingo Beach. So, by the way, guys, before we arrive our destination, please, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your friend and loved ones, and please don't forget to hit the bell down below so that you'll be updated on my next video soon. Okay, so see you guys on our destination, Flamingo Beach. See ya! But if I'm going to blame somebody, I will blame somebody. Everyone, ayan, birthday po ng mother natin. Ayan ang birthday girl, napakaganda. Ay, ayoko na. Ayan sila, oh. Ang gaganda ng mga lola mo. Oh my God, sana all. Oh, dancer yan, girl. Oh. Bongga pa ay bongga. Hi, say hi. Hello.
Pinapamigay ko na yung ano.
Ha? Hayop ka.
Boy.
Yan, oh. Sige, vlog natin sila yung birthday girl.
Boy!
May dapat nag-iibot ang birthday girl. Bang ganda ng pilik mata, di ba? Oh. Show na, oh. Isang sayaw dyan, Day.
Picture mo lang. Picture tayo ano, be.
Ay, mga sister, oh. Hi! Di ba kita mukha? Hi! Ay, freshness. Di ba kita, Day, no? Birthday ni ano, ni Madam, ano. Ang ganda lang smile. Ang ganda lang smile niya, Day. Promise. Dapat maglalakad ka, susundan kita, di ba? Parang ano, parang ayan, go!
South Africa!
5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3. Pasok! Pasok! Oh, 1. Oh, isa pa, wag. Oy. Ay, ang galing kumilang na lola mo. Oh, para siyang si Salome. Ay, game! Ay! Sino ang lalaban? Sino ang hahamon? Mama, hamon ba? Hahamon ka sa kanya, go! Ay, oh. Ay, birthday niya. Ayaw naman kasi birthday niya.
Kilala ko yan.
So guys, finished the party, so I'm going home now. Kasi I'm literally, it's almost late already because I have work 10 o'clock tomorrow and now it's 2:42, so a little bit, 3 o'clock. So we're now reaching near my home, near Nakil. So I'm really enjoying the party with my friends right now. So I'm so happy and a little bit tired, but it's fine. So see you later, guys. I'm going home now. So we are in Nakil. So I just show you the road. Oh my god. We're in Nakil right now. So this is the mosque, guys, the big mosque. And this is Nakil. Yeah, so we're going home now. Yes. We're going to my place, Julan. So on my right side, this is Filipino grocery, guys. Yeah, I can. This is Filipino grocery. Yes, this one, the store. Actually, it's enjoy here, but you know, we don't think that we're going to stay all your life, because at the end of the day, all of us were going home to our country. So, baklaan.
Uy. Ayan, impressive.
Ay, akala ko ito. You not teach me.
How many time I show you?
You're very bad. You're not sharing me the information.
How I know you cannot see.
I don't see because I only see your face.
Thank you, yeah.
I see your face. How? Oh, you bring your other tomorrow, huh? The
Bro.
what name?
Bro.
What pro?
Go bro.
Yeah. So actually this one I thought just day today, but it's closed already because it's
Today.
day today tanga.
Today.
Yeah, so guys, so that's all for today, and see you soon in my next video, guys, because I'm really tired, so I wanted to sleep. So I hope you enjoyed the video. So even it's too short, but it's fine because this is for what do you call this, a celebration of my friend's birthday. So I'm just make this video for her or for her
For him.
or for him, according to my pilot. Oh, ang ganda pilot talaga, bakla. So for him or for her, so even a short video, just because he asked me for just make a video on his birthday, then I told me just put in your YouTube. So I try to do that one, try to do some if I can try. So it's a bit I take short video there, but it's fine. So thank you so much, and I hope you like this video, guys. And